All right, let's talk about AI. You've heard the buzz, ChatGPT, self-driving cars, AI art. But what actually is artificial intelligence? And should we be excited or totally freaked out? Think about it. Your phone predicts what you'll type next. Netflix knows your binge habits better than you do, and AI can even write entire songs. But how does it all work? Is AI really thinking like a human? And will robots take over the world? Okay, maybe not yet, but let's break it all down. By the end of this video, you'll understand AI in a way that actually makes sense. No boring tech jargon, just fun, simple explanations. Let's dive in. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to think and act like humans. At its core, AI encompasses various concepts, including machine learning and deep learning. While AI is the overarching field, machine learning is a subset that focuses on algorithms that allow computers to learn from data. Deep learning, a further subset of machine learning, uses neural networks to analyze vast amounts of data, mimicking the human brain's structure. AI can be categorized into two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed for specific tasks such as voice recognition or image classification, and is what we encounter in our daily lives. General AI, on the other hand, refers to a theoretical form of AI that possesses the ability to understand and reason across a wide range of tasks, similar to human intelligence. I thought I am smarter. I will be fighting my corner, Mr. AI. Real-world examples of AI applications include virtual assistants like Google Assistant, recommendation systems on streaming platforms, and smart home devices that learn user preferences. These innovations illustrate how AI is seamlessly integrated into our everyday experiences. By the way, if you're enjoying this so far, hit that like button. It tells YouTube, hey, this video is awesome. And while you're at it, why not subscribe? Let's explore AI together. On to the second one, history of artificial intelligence. The journey of artificial intelligence began in the mid-20th century, with key milestones marking its evolution. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference, organized by John McCarthy, is often considered the birth of AI as a field. This event brought together influential figures like Marvin Minsky and Alan Newell, who laid the groundwork for future research. In the 1960s, programs like ELIZA, created by Joseph Weizenbaum, demonstrated early natural language processing capabilities, while the development of the perceptron by Frank Rosenblatt introduced the concept of neural networks. The 1980s saw a resurgence in AI interest, fueled by advancements in machine learning and expert systems. However, the field faced challenges during the AI winter periods, where funding and interest waned due to unmet expectations. The resurgence of AI in the 21st century can be attributed to the explosion of data, improved algorithms, and powerful computing resources. Today, AI technologies are integral to various industries, shaping how we interact with technology and each other, showcasing the profound impact of historical events on its growth. How AI works. Algorithms are sets of rules or instructions that guide AI systems in processing information and making decisions. These algorithms analyze data to identify patterns and trends, which are crucial for learning and prediction. Data plays a pivotal role in training AI models. The more high-quality data an AI system has access to, the better it can learn and improve its accuracy. For instance, in image recognition, an AI model is trained on thousands of labeled images to distinguish between different objects. This training process allows the model to recognize new images based on the patterns it has learned. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, consist of interconnected nodes that process information in layers. When an AI system receives input, it passes through these layers, where each node applies specific transformations to the data. This enables AI to make informed decisions, such as recommending products based on user preferences or predicting outcomes in various scenarios, showcasing its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of information efficiently. AI is magic. Quick AI quiz. Which of these is not powered by AI? A. Self-driving cars. B. Your pet goldfish. or C, Netflix recommendations? Drop your answer in the comments. Applications of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is making significant strides across various sectors, transforming how we live and work. In healthcare, AI applications include diagnostic tools that analyze medical images, helping doctors detect diseases like cancer at earlier stages. AI-driven chatbots also assist patients by providing instant responses to their queries, improving overall patient care. In the finance sector, AI algorithms are used for fraud detection, analyzing transaction patterns to identify suspicious activities in real time. Additionally, robo-advisors leverage AI to provide personalized investment advice, making financial planning more accessible to individuals. Transportation is another area where AI is revolutionizing operations. Self-driving cars utilize AI to navigate and make decisions based on real-time data from their surroundings, enhancing road safety and efficiency. Yeah, I remember my good friend Mr. Musk. Can we ask if we should be expecting talking cars soon? Say nothing. The answer to that quiz question is surely B. I'm sure you got that right. On to the last point, ethics and challenges in AI. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it brings forth significant ethical considerations and challenges that society must address. One major concern is privacy. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data to function effectively. This raises questions about how data is collected, stored, and used, and whether individuals' privacy rights are being respected. Bias is another critical issue. AI algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate existing biases present in the training data, leading to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. It's essential to ensure that AI systems are designed and tested to minimize bias and promote fairness. Job displacement is also a pressing challenge, as automation may replace certain roles, leading to economic and social implications. As viewers, it's crucial to think critically about AI's societal impact. Engaging in discussions about these ethical challenges can help shape a future where AI is used responsibly and equitably, ensuring that technology serves humanity positively. Future of artificial intelligence. The future of artificial intelligence holds exciting possibilities as emerging technologies continue to evolve and integrate with AI systems. Innovations such as quantum computing promise to enhance AI's processing power, enabling it to solve complex problems at unprecedented speeds. This could lead to breakthroughs in fields like drug discovery, climate modeling, and personalized medicine. AI is also poised to play a transformative role in shaping future industries. For instance, in agriculture, AI-driven tools can optimize crop yields through precision farming techniques, while in manufacturing, smart factories powered by AI can streamline operations and reduce waste. The integration of AI with the Internet of Things, IoT, will further enhance connectivity and data analysis, leading to smarter cities and improved resource management. As these advancements unfold, it's essential for viewers to stay informed about the latest developments in AI. Understanding these trends will not only help individuals adapt to changes in the job market, but also empower them to engage in discussions about the ethical implications and societal impacts of AI. Embracing this knowledge will be crucial as we navigate the future shaped by artificial intelligence. All right, AI newbie, you're officially in the know. But here's the real question. What's the coolest AI thing you've seen? Comment below. And if you want more fun, easy AI breakdowns, hit that subscribe button. I've got more mind-blowing stuff coming your way.